Hey everyone, I'm Tim from Richer Sounds Custom Installation. If you've never heard of Richer Sounds before, we're an audio-video retailer with 51 stores throughout the UK, and which has awarded us the Retailer of the Year for 6 years in a row. I just thought that was worth a mention. Today, we're here at the home of none other than footballer Kobbie Mainoo. We were lucky enough to work with Kobbie and his team on a great new home entertainment installation for his new home, bringing in our expertise to put together a high-end performance audio-visual system. Let's head inside and take a look at the finished project. So, like we said, we've put TVs in multiple rooms of the house. This being one of the lounges, we've gone with a really nice and simple 77G series OLED by LG and the matching soundbar underneath. Really simple to use. We didn't need to go too crazy in here, but the real system, that's in another room. Let's go and have a look. So here we are in the main area of the house. This is where Kobbie, his friends and family come to socialise, relax and chill out. We've got a fantastic view of the garden, but what we're really here to see is the masterpiece, the big LG OLED. Kobbie really enjoys his movies, his games, his TV, so we needed something that could perform on everything that he threw at it, and the 83-inch G series really does that for us. Bright, simple, really easy to use, but the colour reproduction's fantastic.
Firstly, I knew that this room was going to be like a family room, games room type of vibe. Yeah, the main thing, because it's got such high ceilings, it's such a big back wall, and I wanted a big TV on there. Very vibrant, you know, and it's got a lot of natural light coming in. Even with the reflection, it still looks good.
We needed to back up the audio a little bit, so for the room of this size, we added in the acoustic speakers. And because we had the interior designer, we could pick the colour, and we colour matched those speakers to exactly what the interior designer wanted. So to back up the bass, we have the acoustic sub-Z hidden away in the corner, so when Kobbie really wants to, he can just turn the volume up and the whole room sounds absolutely fantastic.
I was surprised actually because it's such a big room, it manages to fill it really well, and even if you're back there eating food and stuff, you still really feel the bass and the sound.
So lastly, to run the speakers and the subwoofer, we've got the Blue Sound power node that we hid behind the television. We used that for a couple of reasons. We needed the multi-room audio for the rest of the house, but we needed the HDMI ARC connection, so whenever the TV's running, the sound from the TV comes out of the speakers so he gets that full sound that he's looking for. Made the whole thing really easy. Again, nice and simple to use and really reliable.
I chose Richer Sounds because I got a lot of recommendations and I heard it had a really good reputation. My friends had recommended them and teammates and stuff. And I wanted someone that could project manage the whole build well, and they managed to do that.
It's been brilliant working with Kobbie and his team on this project, working alongside our local Richer Sound store, our custom installation department and the client's interior designer. We made sure everything was ready in time, installed and working for a big family get-together that Kobbie had planned. A massive thanks to Kobbie for letting us show off his new system. This is just one example of the many installations that we do. We do of course work on projects of all different shapes and sizes and budgets. Our stores stock a huge range of home entertainment kit, and we can provide everything from a bit of speaker cable to fully automated homes and cinema rooms. So if you're looking to upgrade your home setup, get in touch with your local Richer Sound store today. Remember, we have 51 stores throughout the UK. We'll help you get the perfect setup for your space. See you on the next one. There's a piece of blossom went right in front of the lens.